From start to harvest, every second is a masterclass in agri-engineering. Are you ready to witness the power of modern AG tech? Let's go! Vineyards, meet your new champion, the Braud 8.50L from New Holland. This grape harvester is more than just a machine, it's a breakthrough in harvesting technology. With a powerful engine and cutting-edge systems, it treats every grape cluster with meticulous care. Imagine each berry picked gently, leaving the vine untouched. Plus, the Braud 8.50L features automatic controls, making it perfectly suited for any soil or terrain. Introducing the Monarch Mark V MKV, a next-generation tractor set to revolutionize agricultural technology. This groundbreaking machine is 100% electric, eliminating emissions and making it an eco-friendly powerhouse. But it's more than just green, it also serves as a mobile power generator right in the field. Powered by NVIDIA's advanced Jetson Edge AI platform, the Monarch MKV leads the way in autonomous and robotic farming. Imagine a tractor that can follow you, perform tasks without a driver. The Monarch Mark V marking the start of a new era in smart, safe, and sustainable agriculture. Who would have thought that watching radish harvesting could be so fascinating? This incredible machine not only picks radishes but also neatly bundles them, streamlining the entire process. Just imagine how many hands this technology has replaced, making harvesting faster and more efficient than ever. Picture a giant working the land, the Nexat Whitespan Tragerfahrzeug. With an immense 120-foot working width, this machine redefines field operations. Its modular platform allows fast switching between tools for everything, from planting to harvesting. Powered by a 15-horsepower engine and reaching 6 miles per hour, it handles vast areas, with impressive speed and efficiency, saving time and effort. The Multitrike Robotic tractor, built with generous ground clearance, is highly adaptable for row crops, strawberries, blueberries, orchards, shrubs, conifers, and young alley trees. A major advantage of this machine is its capacity to manage up to 6 rows in one go, saving valuable time and lowering costs for growers. It's also equipped with a slope correction system for hilly fields and GPS technology for accurate, precision farming. With the DALBO 40-foot wide roller, your field receives premium treatment. It effortlessly rolls across wheat fields, creating ideal soil consistency and surface uniformity. This ensures every seed gets the best chance to thrive. Operating with impressive speed and accuracy, the DALBO makes field prep feel effortless. Picture your land perfectly level and primed for a successful harvest. This roller delivers the performance to make it happen. A 2-row carrot harvester streamlines the harvesting process by efficiently pulling carrots from the ground, removing their tops, and preparing them for packaging or further processing. Typically self-propelled and operable by a single person, this machine features sharp blades or knives that trim carrot tops at soil level, leaving only the roots exposed. A system of belts or conveyors then lifts the carrots from the ground and transports them to a sorting table, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow for high-volume harvesting. When it comes to threshing grass seed, the John Deere 2266 Extra Combine makes the job effortless. Equipped with a JD 820 header nearly 27 feet wide, this green giant tackles massive fields with ease. Its 255 horsepower engine and throughput of up to 20 tons per hour place it among the most capable combines. Each pass delivers a steady rhythm of seed filling the hopper, a true harvest symphony. The Agrobot E-Series represents a groundbreaking advancement in robotic strawberry harvesting. Engineered for autonomous operation in farm rows, these cutting-edge machines utilize advanced computer vision technology to precisely identify and gently pick ripe strawberries, without harming the fruit or plant. This innovation streamlines the traditionally labor-intensive harvesting process, helping farmers save time and significantly reduce labor costs, while ensuring efficiency and precision in the field. In the alfalfa fields of Kima, the Agbot 2.055W4 moves like a spacecraft among farm machines. With its combination of precision and strength, this robotic operator manages alfalfa effortlessly. Powered by a 55 horsepower engine and offering a 6-foot working width, it delivers fast, accurate performance across every acre. With the HPX 195 Propush, your farm work gets so effortless, you'll feel like a superhero. This commercial-grade hydraulic drive manure spreader is built to dominate the field, with precision and power. Boasting a 195 cubic foot capacity, it rolls through like a tank, leaving a perfectly even layer of manure behind. Its hydraulic system offers smooth, responsive control. Say goodbye to backbreaking labor. The HPX 195 Propush takes on the heavy lifting, turning hard work into satisfaction and harvests into pride. The Cabbage Harvester FHT1 is a tractor-drawn machine designed for efficient vegetable harvesting. It features a dual-frame structure with a hydraulic folding system. The central conveyor measures approximately 23.6 inches wide and includes 2 hydraulic lifts for height adjustment. The upper section, which leads to the trailer, extends up to 47.2 inches. Equipped with an anti-roll system, the center unit ensures stability. What's more, all key features match the standard model, and the machine can be tailored with various dimensions. This advanced agricultural machine precisely cultivates the soil around each sapling, without touching them, thanks to its highly accurate sensors. The Horsch Pronto 7DC is a versatile seeding machine, designed to handle a wide range of crops, conditions, and tillage systems. Beyond staples like wheat, rapeseed, and barley, it also handles intercrops and grasses, with optimized pneumatics allowing even raw spelt to be sown effectively. Thanks to a newly engineered frame, the Pronto 7DC is lighter than previous versions, and compatible with the same tractors. Its low-traction design minimizes soil compaction, and with its strong working width, the machine ensures fast and efficient operation. Compared to the Pronto 6DC, it covers a 118-foot strip in just 5 passes, saving up to 20% in fuel, time, and reducing field impact. Here's what the large tree planting machines from the Damcom PL series, ranging from models PL50 to PL90, look like in action. Each unit comes with a robust, high-quality digging element, perfect for planting alley trees, fruit trees, shrubs, and large conifers. The PL75 and PL90 models can also be fitted with a lifting mast, capable of handling root balls up to 2.95 feet in diameter. These machines offer groove widths between 1.65 and 2.95 feet, with groove depths ranging from 1.3 to 1.65 feet. Take a look at the Kioritz, an impressive wheeled machine that brings ease to vineyard spraying. With sleek design and operator-driven control, it glides effortlessly between grape rows like a pro. Its efficient spray system and quiet yet powerful engine deliver consistent coverage, ensuring each vine is treated with care and precision. Introducing the TigerCat LS 855E, it's not just any forest harvester, but a true ninja among machines. Equipped with a heavy-duty lifting system, it can scale slopes and maneuver through hard-to-reach areas with incredible agility. Its robust 300 horsepower engine and innovative control system make it run smoothly and efficiently. How long do you think this beast will take to transform hectares of forest into neatly stacked bags of wood? Picture unloading barley from a massive silobag using the Akron extraction system, a scene straight from the heart of an Australian farm. These silage bags, often called sausage sacks, hold tremendous amounts of grain. The Akron unit handles the process with speed and precision, ensuring the barley is unloaded cleanly while maintaining top quality. The Braud 9070L is a state-of-the-art grape harvester, produced by the French agricultural equipment manufacturer, New Holland Agriculture. Designed for precision and efficiency, it features a powerful engine capable of handling tough terrain, and a high-capacity picking head that can harvest up to 7,000 kilograms of grapes per hour. The harvester also includes a gentle grape handling system, ensuring minimal damage to the fruit during the harvesting process. The Agxeed Agbot 5.115T2 excels at precision inter-row weeding. With a 4-foot working width and near-surgical accuracy, this autonomous field robot clears weeds between rows using a high-torque electric drive and intelligent sensors. Covering up to 10 acres per hour, it preserves crops with a 2-inch precision range, making it suitable for all crops. Think hauling massive concrete blocks or giant tree trunks is easy? Holtrop Excavating of Komatsu puts that theory to the test using Smithco trailers. The video kicks off with an impressive display of these trailers confidently moving heavy concrete slabs. It then transitions smoothly to the transport of enormous tree trunks, showcasing the trailer's exceptional versatility and toughness. Time and again, Holtrop's work with Smithco side dumpers proves that these machines are built to handle the toughest jobs reliably, efficiently, and without compromise. Step behind the scenes at Fyffes Anexco Pineapple Farm in Costa Rica and witness technology in perfect harmony. From irrigation and fertilization to soil prep and harvesting, each task is handled by specialized machines, each operating like a conductor leading its own section. Curious how flawless pineapples are grown? Fyffes Anexco reveals the entire process. The Moody pumpkin harvesting machine is a specialized, high-efficiency tool designed for commercial pumpkin harvesting. It automates the process by driving over pumpkin plants and using rotating blades to swiftly cut the stems, cleanly separating the pumpkins from the vines. The harvested pumpkins then move onto a conveyor belt or collection system, ensuring smooth transportation to storage or processing areas. Ever wondered how dandelions are harvested? It's more of an art than a task. Picture a process where each motion is refined, and a specialized machine handles everything for you. Like a magic wand, it gently gathers each white puff and places it neatly into its own collection bag. Quite the elegant approach, wouldn't you say? The Overaasen UTV 445 and UTV 550 Performance Line snowplow series are robust wheel loader machines, with a lifting capacity ranging from 20 to 25 tons. Designed for both standard snow clearing and tackling tough road sections, these machines deliver outstanding performance in harsh winter conditions. The snowplow features a two-stage milling unit with a high-speed horizontal feed screw, an ejector fan, and a swiveling rotor housing capable of handling all types of snow, even dense ice crust. Highly efficient and adaptable, these models come with a powerful, modern diesel engine that meets the latest emission standards. Additional protections include an overload-safe exhaust fan housed in the hydraulic box and an automatic safety clutch on the feed screw for extra reliability. You might be surprised to learn how effortlessly corn kernels can be harvested with the right machine. Watch as each cob is handled with gem-like precision by this specialized combine. Its reinforced cleaning and sorting system delivers spotless, uniform cobs ready for the next step. Less manual effort, more efficiency, what's not to love?
Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to subscribe now so you won't miss out on more awesome content. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, feedback, or just say hi. Hit like and share if you enjoyed it. Thank you for your amazing support.